जयवर्धने और कुमार संगकारा ने इस रेस्टोरेंट को खोला है। हाफ किलो, स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज, एक्सेल, किलो क्रैब, जंबो, कोलोसल, ओ माय गॉड, एंड क्रैबजिला। दिस इज द क्रैबजिला। ओह गॉश भाई साहब, ये अगर रास्ते में मिले तो इससे बात मत करना। जो वो निकला है ना बापू, जो वो निकला ऐसे निकला जो है, सी, ओहो वन से क्या ब्रो?
हम लोग ऊपर जाने वाले। मैं इतने ऊपर कभी नहीं गया।
मेरी ये उम्मीद है कि मैं इस पूरे ट्रिप के दौरान कुछ आप लोगों को इस तरह के साइट्स दिखाऊं जो रेगुलर मिल्क रन में नहीं दिखेंगे। ऐसी सब इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें, फॉर एग्जांपल रेडियो सिलोन 1950s से यहाँ पर तैनात है। अमेजिंग काम हो रहा है। इतनी पैशनेट हैं सुभाषिनी जी, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने वो हजारों रिकॉर्ड्स को संभाल के रखा है। ऑल दिस कैन बी एक्सपीरियंस्ड। माय डियर फ्रेंड चैम, ही डिजाइन्स सच curated tours, which is curated according to what you want to see, something different. All right, so the journey has begun, dost, and I'm really excited. मेरी टोपी है बड़ी है, पहन लेता हूँ भाई। अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रेस्टोरेंट में, one of the top 50 restaurants in the world, right here in Colombo. इस रेस्टोरेंट के ओनर्स, two of cricketing greats, महिला जयवर्धने and कुमार संगकारा, जिसका नाम है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ क्रैब्स। हाय हाय हाय, हाउ आर यू? पूरा एटमॉस्फेयर बहुत गजब सा है यार।
वेलकम टू मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ क्रैब्स।
थैंक यू सो वेरी मच। वाह वाह। हाउ आर यू? गुड आफ्टरनून। गुड आफ्टरनून। वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर on day 1 of our visit. Thank you so very much. Really appreciate it. जापानीज शेफ दर्शन मुनिदासा के साथ महिला जयवर्धने और कुमार संगकारा ने इस रेस्टोरेंट को खोला है। हाफ किलो, स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज, एक्सेल, किलो क्रैब, जंबो, कोलोसल, ओ माय गॉड, एंड क्रैबजिला। I love the sense of humor of this place also. This used to be the Dutch hospital, और वहाँ पर इन लोगों ने इसको खोला है। अलग अलग eateries हैं। So let's sit down and discover some amazing crabs.
Thank you so much.
How are you? Cooking area which is very clean. इसलिए इन्होंने open रखा हुआ है। Anybody can just watch. Okay, this is the small one.
हाँ, big one.
This is the Crabzilla. Oh gosh. Yeah, this means business, huh? भाई साहब, ये अगर रास्ते में मिले तो इससे बात मत करना। Fantastic, yeah. So very clearly a very, very, very clean restaurant. So really, really, very, very happy. Wow. This is looking so good, yeah. This is looking so tasty. Is this our order? Please let us know. What are the things that we're going to eat today?
So what we're going to eat today, we're going to start off with the crab liver pate. So that is a dish that's very unique to Ministry of Crab, and we are one of the only restaurants in the world that serves it in this manner.
Crab liver pate. That is interesting.
So we actually get the liver from the crab, we make it into a pate. It's a very umami-rich dish, and we use the palm sugar syrup to kind of temper the umami with a little bit of smoky sweet.
I just love this description. पता क्या है कि इस तरीके के जब कोई खाना डिस्क्राइब करता है तो मेरे जैसा खाऊ जो आदमी एक्चुअली खुद बना नहीं सकता, वो और भी खुश हो जाता है। I'm really looking forward to this. शेफ दर्शन जो हैं वो क्रैब्स के मामले में एकदम एक्सपर्ट है। आज एकदम शॉर्ट नोटिस पर मैं यहाँ पर आया हूँ, तो उनसे मिलना नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन पूरी कोशिश ये है कि आपको पूरा एक्सपीरियंस दूं। हाउ दिस एंटायर एक्सपीरियंस इज क्रिएटेड। शेफ दर्शन भी उन्होंने let's have some nice iced tea. So this definitely has some fruit in it.
Yes, it does. So we don't serve any soft drinks at Ministry of Crab. We've made our own, which is our signature iced tea soda.
Is this guava by any chance? No, let me just guess. I lose.
It's peach.
I was close. No, I was not. बहुत दूर था मैं. It's very, very good and it's refreshing. हर टेबल पर एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एक फ्लोरल डेकोरेशन यूज किया गया है. I'm wondering what is this?
So the reason that we use this particular flower. It's the Heliconia flower.
Heliconia.
And it closely resembles the claw of the crab.
Isn't it true? Fantastic, and that's why it is used. Kya baat hai. I love this part. So this place is also designed very beautifully. हर एक चीज के पीछे कुछ कहानी होती है, तो मैं व्लॉग के थ्रू कोशिश करता हूँ उन कहानियों को आप तक पहुँचाऊं। और अलग अलग तबके के लोगों से मिल रहे हैं। कुछ ही देर पहले हम लोग एक मार्केट में घूम रहे थे, 100 लोगों के बीच में से मैं गुजर रहा था, और यहाँ पर सोफिस्टिकेटेड फाइन डाइनिंग रेस्टोरेंट में बैठे। कीप काम एंड ग्रैब ऑन। शुरू कर देंगे। Just check this out. This is going to be amazing. Smoothness of it. So I'm just trying to think, and I think the pepper has done the trick. Yeah, the kick to it, exactly. And this crab, there's some nice and creamy thing to it.
So we mix the crab into a wasabi mayonnaise.
No wonder there's that sharpness to it. There's no strong smell of the crab. ये zone में मामला flow कर रहा है. The crab is flowing into the avocado and the avocado is flowing into it. It's tasty, my friend.
First, try it without the palm sugar syrup.
All right. So this is without the syrup. It is rich. Now you add that. You know what? My mouth is watering. Just waiting for it to reach my plate. I would have just finished this. And what about this rice?
Garlic rice.
Butter.
This is butter with crab. Yeah, Ministry of Crab. What else can you expect? Even butter will have crab in it. Wow.
So at Ministry of Crab, we are basically focused on freshness, as you can see.
Yeah.
And this is something that kind of visually reflects that to the entire restaurant.
Okay, people who are just sitting there.
Just sitting there.
Okay.
Because our crabs are not farmed.
Okay.
They are wild caught. So the crab sizes that we get every day
Vary.
vary.
It's not fixed. You can't say I'll get only that. Okay, got it.
It all depends on the weather, when the fishermen, what the fishermen have brought in, the catch basically.
Got it.
So what this board shows is the crab sizes that we have for the day.
Okay, this is interesting. Half kilo, and is the bulk fused below it or what?
No, so that means that our half kilo crab that we have got for today
Is over.
are over.
Okay. Oh, and again, the jumbo one is over.
So the jumbo one is over.
But the colossal is available,
colossal
and the
is
kilo
available.
crab is available.
The kilo crab is available.
Yeah. But you know, and I was thinking that एक का bulk fuse हो गया, ऐसा नहीं है भाई. It is which are the size crabs which are available. So it's great for, obviously, for the people who are serving, and also great for the customers like me.
Yes.
I want the jumbo crab. You would say, sorry, it's not available.
So the minute that we run out of a size, you see the bell over there. We ring the bell so that everybody is aware something is going on. And we switch off the light.
Yeah, this is drama, yeah, and I love it. Fantastic. Now I'm hungry.
Let's go and eat.
Let's go and eat. आओ, खाते हैं. Chef Darshan, I have just come to know, वो खुद एक computer engineer भी हैं. So this is some good stuff. All set for it. I am all set for it. This is looking one appetizing fare indeed. Super duper. Alright. Zone में ये pepper है, ये garlic है, और दोनों ही याहू लग रहा है. Freshly cooked, ready to eat. This I carry my own implements.
Is the best for the crab. We do not discourage you from using your fingers. We actually encourage you from using your fingers.
I love it because I always say I carry my own cutlery. अपने चम्मच के साथ बन जाते हैं. Fantastic. I begin with this.
The prawn.
All right. Fantastic. Right.
First, before you dig into the prawn, I would say dip the bread into the sauce because that's where the magic is.
Nice up. Nice up. I'm going to be digging this bread into this. That's where the magic is, huh? Garlic. And there is spice. It's touching this, huh? Oh my God. The aroma is there. Again, it's not a very heavy aroma, but the aroma is there. And this oil, this juice, It's like the oil has been infused by the crab. से खुल गया भाई ये तो कहानी ना करी खुल गई तुम आहा.
So the beauty of this dish is the prawn gets infused with the olive oil, and the olive oil gets infused with the prawn because we cook it together.
Reverse osmosis has happened. Olive oil has gotten into the prawn, and the prawn has gotten into the olive oil. The prawn is fresh. There is nothing frozen about it.
And can I tell you one more secret about this dish? If you actually look inside the head, you get the liver of the prawn, which is like a very buttery consistency, which you can scoop out with the bread.
Yeah, kya hai yaar? Yeah, this is amazing. Is that pate stuffed right inside? The liver is right there. Oh, I'm going to scoop it out. This is amazing यार. हाथ गंदे करने पड़ते हैं भाई. ये वो चाहिए.
सर आप खाना खाने किचन में ही आ गए.